Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a monitor stand and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a monitor stand from this company right here. And you guys can use this monitor stand to put your monitors, your laptops, printers, PCs to give some sort of elevation to those devices. So this is really useful if you want to basically lift up those devices so you can have a better viewing angle. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you're brand new to this channel. Also, if you guys do like this video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment. I reply and read every single comment I receive, so if you guys have any inquiries or questions about this product, make sure you guys go down below and ask me. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in wanting to work with us, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we could potentially work together on a future product review. All our social media links and social media handles are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also have a quicker way to reach out to me. And then lastly, if you guys are interested in buying this product, the link and all the product info will be down below in the description, where you guys can make the purchase of the item will also be down below for you guys to check out. So right now we're going to move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the box of this monitor stand is fairly simple. You guys can see there's a picture of the monitor stand right here. It says monitor riser, and then the company's name is on this side. As I flip it onto this side of the box, you guys can see there's a little more specifications and details about how to set up this product. So what we're gonna do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, it says monitor riser right here. This is a picture of the monitor riser or the monitor stand that we're reviewing, and this is the company's name right here. As I flip this onto the back side, you guys can see it gives you guys the installation instructions. So it tells you guys exactly step by step how to set up this monitor stand and how to get it up and running for you to actually put your monitor onto. So let's actually get on to unboxing this box. So all you need to do is lift up this flap and pull back. We are instantly greeted with a bag that contains the actual monitor stand, being protected by some cardboard on each side. So what we're gonna do is actually pull off these cardboard protectors off. We're gonna set this monitor stand off to the side for now. We also get like a thank you for choosing our product card from the company. This is where you guys can contact them if you have any issues. It's just a service card. And then last but not least, that's inside the box, we have our actual legs for the monitor stand. So all we're gonna do is actually put this off to the side and move the box off to the side for now. On the secondary camera angle, you guys can see this is everything that's included with the packaging. So what we're gonna do is actually unwrap the monitor stand, and we're gonna also open up this bag that contains the legs for the monitor stand, and just pull these out and also put them off to the side. So you guys can see this is everything that's included with the packaging, unwrapped and everything. So you guys can see this is a fairly simple package. It doesn't take up any space. The packaging is very simple, meaning that the installation should also be extremely simple with this monitor stand. So what we're gonna do now is actually move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Alright, so right now we actually are ready to actually set up this monitor stand. I do recommend you guys to read the instructions that I was talking about earlier. It tells you step by step how to set up this monitor stand so you guys don't run into any issues when you actually set this up. So all we need to do is actually flip this back onto its back side and take one of these legs right here and all you need to do is actually screw the bottom part of the leg into these screws that they have attached to the monitor stand. And so it's really simple. So all you have to do is put it on and screw it on. Okay, so I just got one of them screwed on and ready to go. You repeat the same thing with the second, the third, and the fourth leg. And honestly, that is basically it with the installation process. So all you need to do now is flip it around onto its front side, and bada bang, bada boom. Now you can easily go in and set anything on top of this monitor stand. And the good thing about this monitor stand is it actually has 3 levels that you guys could actually change and adjust with this monitor stand. So if you wanted your monitor stand to be higher or low, you can easily do that with this monitor stand. In fact, let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that on the secondary camera angle, but there is like a little bit of, there's like a press thing that you guys can press on and hold down, and you can basically expand the monitor stand. So let me actually demonstrate that. And you guys can see now we have the highest level setting with this monitor stand. And you guys can do the same thing and take this onto the lowest level. In fact, let me show you guys that real quick as well. So now you guys can see on the primary camera, I set this monitor stand up to its lowest setting. So you guys saw it at its medium setting, its highest setting, and its lowest setting. So that's really nice that this product has that adjustable level setting, so you can decide how high you want your monitor, your laptop, or whatever you put on this stand, and how low you want it. So it's really nice that they included that. I do want to mention that this is made out of practically all metal, so it feels really sturdy, and this monitor stand can actually support up to 44 pounds. So you guys can put a pretty decent amount of weight onto this monitor stand. So let me actually bring out a monitor for us to just set this on and see how it looks like. Alright guys, so I grabbed the monitor that we're going to basically set on top of this monitor stand just to see how it looks. So let me bring it up. So you guys can see this is like a basic little monitor. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. What we're going to do is set it on top of this. And it looks like I'm going to have to bring it back so you guys won't be able to see me. But you guys can see it looks pretty good. You guys can see it's supporting it really well. No issues. It's not wobbly. It's not you know, having issues with keeping it up or anything. It's doing a fantastic job of keeping this monitor up and above ground, which is really nice because now my viewing angle of this monitor would be a lot better when I use this monitor stand. So I think you guys get the point. So what we're going to do now is basically move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this monitor stand from the company that is listed on the screen right now? I think that this is a very nice monitor stand. I had no issues with it. I really like how you can adjust the level and the height of this monitor stand. So if later on down the road you decide to put something that you want elevated up higher or elevated up lower, you have that option with this monitor stand. I really do like that. You know, it supports up to 44 pounds, so when I'm pushing down on it, you guys can see it's not really bending or anything, so it's really stable and secure, meaning that your devices or whatever you put on it should not collapse from this monitor stand. It's a really nice product. It's all made out of metal, so it's really protected. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave it down in the comment section down below. I reply and read every single comment I receive, so if you guys have any inquiries or questions about this product, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did like this video, make sure you guys go down below and slam your body into the like section. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates on our, tech review series. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in working with us in our future product review, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially work together on our future product review. And like I said earlier, all the product links and info is always down below in the description. You guys can check that out and purchase the product with the link provided. But anyways, I think that kind of wraps up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.